Okay, see this? This is the old tape, the old plumbing tape. You never want to use that when you put a new part on. The easiest way to get it off is with a wire brush. It comes right off, and it does not damage the threads. You don't have to get it 100% off, but you want to get as much of it as you can. Me, I'm kind of a perfectionist, kind of picky, so I'll try to get all of it off. And don't worry, it's a wire brush. It's designed for stuff like this. You're not going to mess up the threads. There you go. And the bottom's pretty clean too, I would imagine.